Hey everyone, it's your girl Abby back with another video. I know it's been a long time since I posted on my channel, but your girl has been busy wrapping up undergrad and I'm officially done with my bachelor's degree. So yay, on to my master's. But yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it. So yeah, starting off with some crazy dry hair. My curls has been going through it this week. I've been working out like crazy 2 times for the day. So I'm just going to start off by spritting my hair, and like I said, super dry, so I'm going to be using this Olaplex number 5, and I'm going to be tying it in with this tgin Rose Water Hydrating Hair Mask. Love the smell of this, and I'm just going to be applying that generously to my hair. I'm going to also be mixing the two in my little bowl, like so. Mixing in the Olaplex with my favorite conditioner. Like I said, since my curls have been super dry, I need something that's hydrating. So next, I want to tie in with my Cedarwood, and I just love adding oils to my deep conditioner. Next up, I'm going to be using my cold pressed castor oil from Briogeo. Add a few drops up in there, however you like. And next, I'm going to be using my Horsetail extract, lavender for a calming effect, and rosemary. Following up tea tree oil because my scalp is a little bit itchy from all the buildup of sweat and all of that. So I'm going to mix it all together. And here's my final concoction. So I'm going to spritz my hair and just section off my hair. It just makes it easier to apply the product. Like I said, my hair needs a lot of love, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply that generously. And you can see me rocking out to some jagged edge. Make sure to get the back of your head, the kitchen area, all the way into your scalp. I like to make sure I do that because I like to massage the oils in. And next up, we're just going to be following up and doing the same on the neck side. I also like to add essential oils to my water, so I like to add a little bit of rose and what's the other one? Oh, peppermint. So those are the two that I added to this current one because mine was mixing it up every time. It's like I love and hate wash days. I love applying the products. I love mixing things up and just pampering my scalp and my hair and just really taking good care of it because it's been a crazy week. But my least favorite part is detangling in the shower. But I noticed when I do take the extra time to actually apply a good deep conditioner, let it sit for a while, then coming out in the shower is like a total breeze, y'all. So next I'm going to use my air dryer, my bonnet air dryer, I guess that's what it's called. Here I'm going to leave it in for 30 minutes and then I'll be back. Alright, and I'm back from my shower. These are the curls, shaking it out for y'all. Next, I have low porosity here, so the best way for me to actually get like good results is for me to re-dampen my hair with my spritz bottle, so that's what I'm doing here. Next, I'm going to be adding in this Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner by Curls.
All right.
Next, I'm going to be adding in this moisturizing milk from Mielle. This is from their rice water collection. And you guys, I love this product so much. I've never tried Mielle before, but this is the first product that I've tried. And of course, I got a little bit too carried away here. And oop. And next I'm trying this product from Design Essentials. It's their Almond and Avocado Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I love the moisturizing milk from Mielle, but I've never felt a product like this one. That's a moisturizing lotion. Like, it feels almost kind of like Uncle Funky's Curly Magic, but it's not a gel. And here I'm going to be using Design Essentials Almond and Avocado. This is their curl enhancing mousse. And my stylist actually put me on to this product the last time that I got a trim, and I loved it too. But the lotion was really just like doing things for me, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. And here we are. She's back, y'all, and look at all this volume, definition. Love it. Just love it. Fluff it out, give it a little bit of oomph, and there you have it. Healthy, voluminous curls. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
All right.